Hello, this is Aaron from ETOA, the European Tourism Association. I just wanted to take a few moments in advance of next week's ETM North America 2025, just as we enter the last phase of preparations before this online workshop. Welcome to those who've not attended before, and welcome back those who are coming back to this online networking. Obviously, the North America market is in high demand. There's a huge demand from our suppliers for meetings with you. So we really hope that you've prepared in advance your preferences. Today, you've got access to the first round of your provisional appointments. They've been made on the basis of the preferences that you've submitted as well as those for you. As of today, you'll now have access to top up your agenda with additional meetings. So you'll be able to do that as well as the suppliers will be sending you requests to complete their agendas. That will be open between now and next Wednesday, 8 o'clock CET time in the evening, just the day before the event. As I said, you're really in high demand, so it's really important not only for the satisfaction and interaction with the suppliers that are attending, but also for your company's reputation. We really want to discourage any no-shows or any issues with the attendance at the meetings, which we may have seen in the past. So we're really urging you to review your agenda, and we expect you to be attending each of those meetings. You may not know, it may be based on the preferences of others that have submitted those, but the best behavior on this is to attend those meetings and just be open-minded with regards to what's on offer during those sessions. That said, as I alluded to, there's a very high demand. So beyond next week's online session, the platform will be open for an additional month afterwards. That allows everybody to make sure that they get the face time that they're after. So do be open-minded and receptive to additional meetings beyond that. Everyone's details will be made available after the event. So it's all about the follow-up after the initial introductions as facilitated by the online platform. So as I said, from today onwards until next Wednesday, you'll have access to top-up meetings. Please do review those, and then they'll be blocked in. Next Wednesday, you'll then receive access to the online platform. In advance of the session itself, please do make sure to go on there, complete the last elements of your profile, and just ensure compatibility on your platform. So that will just be allowing the camera access via what we suggested to use Chrome. It is compatible with other ones, but we've discovered that has the best compatibility with the platform. So you'll be clicking through the meeting agenda and joining those separate calls during the session. You should have already been made aware of the different time zones. So if we receive notification about your joining time, if you're joining from the West Coast, then hopefully that's reflected. The agendas that you'll see will be on your browser time at the moment. But if it's not really clear and you're a bit confused, just make sure at the top right hand of the page when you're looking at that, it's the correct time zone that you anticipate. Obviously, with people attending from the east of Europe all the way through to the Pacific, it's important to make sure that everyone's expected at the time that we're following, which is CET for that, as the core time zone for that event. As I said, please do try and maximize the session. We're only really asking for half a day. That's a very light commitment with regards to similar events where you have to travel to attend these. So it really is an opportunity for ETM members and non-members alike to really make the most of the online opportunity between the meetings that we've done. We'll be running a leaderboard on the day with some incentives to make sure that people are participating. So do keep an eye out for those opportunities. That's to encourage everybody to make as many connections, to attend as many meetings. And there'll be some additional insight elements as well, which are relevant to the North American market and the travels to Europe. So do have a look at that. Really, that's without further ado. If you have any questions between now and the event, please do get in touch via support@celestina.travel. Please send all details through to there. And we really thank our sponsors so far. We hope to see some more coming in the last week, but we thank Eurostar, Sovereign Tourism, and Mazurkas, of which you'll be seeing more of during the day. So without further ado, thank you very much, and we'll be seeing you, me and the team from Brussels, next Thursday next week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.